Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Narule and today I am going to explain about the concept Docker, and we will see in this video some basic concept of the Docker and its simple demonstration part. So this very first slide shows the logo of the Docker, and it contains some box-like structure, and this box-like structure is nothing but the containers. Now let's begin with Docker. So this is the infrastructure of the Docker. On the very last there is a hardware. On that there is a host operating system, and on that Docker is there, and on Docker we can host the containers C1, C2, C3, C4. We will see in the demonstration how to host the containers. So Docker is nothing but it is a software platform that allows you to build, test and deploy applications quickly. Container is an executable package of software that includes everything needed to run an application, and Docker image is the file used to execute code in Docker container. We might face some issues like one application is runnable over your desktop but not on your friend's device. So the best solution for this is the Docker. We have to just pull image from the Docker hub and save the changes and again push it over the Docker hub, and let's see some characteristic of the Docker which I have listed down here. The first is it is container based, and every container is isolated from each other, and it is very easy to use, as we see that it only has to be pulled from the Docker hub and make changes and again push it over Docker hub. And we can also use it from any place of the world, and resource consumption is very less. I'll show in the demonstration part that resource consumption is how much less than compared to the virtual machines. Then next one is the OS independent. Yes, Docker is OS independent, so it consumes very less resources. It is also cheap as compared to the virtual machine, and automation is also more. The only limitation is the computation power is less as compared to the virtual machines. Now let's see some important commands, simple important commands in the Docker. First one is the Docker pull. It pulls the image from the Docker hub. All the images that are present only over the Docker hub. And then is the Docker run. It in bin bash mode, means in binary, means we container is runnable in the execution mode. And then ls is the simple command that lists all the present files. And last one is the Docker ps, that is process status. Now let's begin with the demonstration part. First we have to install the Docker desktop over your device, and that must be synced with your Docker hub account first, and you want your Docker hub account. I already have it with me, so I signed in the Docker hub. So first we will generate one container known as the Ubuntu. So search here Ubuntu, then we go to the Windows PowerShell here, and we give the command for the Docker pull Ubuntu of the latest version. So we will see here, then we will run it in the bin bash mode. We will see what we already had seen what is a bin bash. So yeah, this is this we are in the root of that particular image. That here is the particular image is the Ubuntu. So there we give the simple ls command. All the columns are empty because we nothing had done any work. So to get exit from the root, press Ctrl minus D. We exited from the Ubuntu. Then give command docker ps. So we can see here the container is generated with his ID, and there is a no port given because Ubuntu is the operating system and the application. So for application we want to specify a port number. So we can see here that our Ubuntu was running here, and see here how much less memory used by this container, that is in KB. So this was the command we have seen, and so thank you.